Alright guys, we're back. We got to make these very quick updates right here. We had that in 3 day or so. Yeah, maybe even 4-day distribution up here. This is ETH. We dumped down here. I had a stop loss here. I entered the trade somewhere around here. I didn't get whipped out here, but I kept it and it went down with me out. Very low leverage. I don't like the overall trend is down. In general, if you look at some of our previous videos, we use stack coin 1 and 2 indicators. The trend is down. When it's down, I try to only short, and I missed this as well. So now I'm just kind of waiting, trying to figure out what's going to happen. I see something here, potentially a lot of resistance. You got the 0.5 fib level, which is this thicker, straight green bar, and you got the daily resistance right here on stack coin 1. This line, the green support, right? So there's a lot of resistance here. I wouldn't be surprised if it maybe bounces back up from here, maybe to this level. There's a lot of resistance in the yellow box right here. That's a weekly sort of range resistance. It's huge. So I would imagine if it bounces back up, it'll probably go up to here, maybe wipe out all these liquidity up here, and then continue down. So that wouldn't surprise me if it does that. If it does that, I'm going to enter a trade basically in here somewhere. I'm going to be following the lines, and if I start seeing the constriction of the Bollinger Bands on a smaller time frame, I'm going to enter, and I expect it's going to go down. If it doesn't, here's what we're going to do. I expect this. This is the daily resistance, huge resistance. We've talked about this before. I'm going to expect this to bounce, especially because the 4-hour resistance is also around that area right here. So horizontal resistance, and the daily resistance is something like this, right? Follows this trend line. So the 4-hour, see where they meet around this area. A lot of resistance here. So I'm going to place a limit order right here, but I'm not going to, because there's no good place to put my stop loss down here. And I'm not going to put it this much. I mean, this is like a couple percent, right? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait and see how it looks like when it busts through here. And the second it comes back out above this level, I'm going to enter along, place my stop loss underneath the low of the little hypodermic needle. That's what I plan on doing. If it busts through there, the next place I'm going to do it is right here, right? I'm going to place I'm going to enter a trade right here. I don't know how I'm going to play this with the stop loss, but I always use stop losses, right? So I'm going to enter somewhere here. But again, this is where I'm entering, looking forward next. And I could see definitely a bounce. If it doesn't bounce from this area, I could see a bounce from here and maybe going up here and bouncing, continuing down if it's going to continue down, or retrace upwards.